In this video we're going to look at how we format our pages, and specifically we'll look at how to set a specific page size, also how to change the print margins, how to apply a background color and rule lines, and lastly how to add a picture to the page background. So first of all, specific page sizes. Page sizes are normally set to auto in OneNote, which means you can just keep going and going, and that's fine unless you're thinking about printing them. So if you are going to want to print your pages, then they are better off set to a specific size, in particular probably A4 size. Alright, so to do that we're going to go to the View tab, and under View we're going to go to Paper Size, and from there under Size we're going to choose a size, in our case A4, and from there we can also choose the margins. Alright, so it's got preset margins, but we can change these if we need to. So with the left and right margins at 2.5 centimeters as they are, we couldn't put something in those margins because, like any program, it keeps the margins clear. So I'm going to make it 2.0 centimeters left and right. Okay, so that's it. We've got our paper size set, we've got our print margins set. Also on the View tab we can change the page color. So up here we have page color, and you can choose from one of these colors. Notice that they're all pretty light colors, making it easier to put a dark font against it or dark text against it. So I might put a tan in there. Alright, you can only just see the change. Alright, and I can also rule lines. So if I click on rule lines, I get lines coming in whichever the default lines are, or if I can click on the drop down I can choose any of these lines. So you've got the grid ones and you've got the normal lines, and they can be close together, narrow ones, or they can be widely spaced like these ones. Okay, so you've got all of those options in terms of both colors and ruling lines. And lastly I'm going to add a background picture. So to do that, first I insert a picture. So I'll go insert picture, and now I'm going to find my background picture. There it is. Insert that one. So at the moment it's just a picture, but if I right click on it, I can set it as a background picture. Now this might be just off the bottom of the video here, but moving down this menu there's one there that says set picture as background, and I select that. That's now a background picture, which means other elements can go over the top of it. For example, I can type over the top of it if I need to. So that's it for formatting our pages. We've seen how we can set the paper size, we can set the print margins, we can set page colors, rule lines or grids, and we can also add a background picture.